I want to do a little video to show an upcoming class that I will be teaching in Harrisburg, Pennsylvania, and then also in Portland, Oregon for Art and Soul retreats. So this is a roll-up doll, so we'll be working with fabric and textures. And let's start to open it up and take a peek. So we're going to be kind of thinking outside of the box a little bit. So if you look behind her head, this is actually a purse, a Vera Bradley bag that I cut up. And it's cool because now I have this zippered section that I can add something to. Her face is done on felt, and we will be experimenting making abstract faces, or I will also be supplying eyes and lips if that's not something you're comfortable with. And I want people to bring fabrics that potentially look like eyes. So this fabric behind here has that structure of an eyeball. Let's keep unrolling. So this is a mask from COVID, and it was really cool to upcycle it and put it into this. I love that. And then a lot of this is just favorite things that I've collected. This is from a dress that I collected from the flea market. This is a vintage linen. I've done stitching. I will also be bringing to class some of my art foamy stamps, and we'll be practicing using paint on them and then stamping them onto fabric to make patches. Let's keep going. So here I've added, this is a bow tie from my senior dog Kashi. It's his Christmas bow tie. And then I hung this tag that someone sent to me. I've made a pocket here also from the purse where I put something in. And then I could put maybe a doll in here if I wanted to. If you look under here, this is fabric that I painted myself. So we'll be doing some of that in class. So it's really personalizing and making it all your own. A patch that I collected from somewhere. And I love having little secret pockets. So here's another one. This is one of my art foamy stamps, so I'll have that in class so you can play with. This is a flower that someone made me, a good friend of mine. She's since passed away, so I love having it in here. And then towards the end of it, I chose a fabric that I have a lot of potential to do stitching on. Okay, so I could stitch white in here. I could actually, follow these lines and just stitch it all up. That would be really fun. I could also add more photos to it, patches, whatever I really want to do. This can be hung up or kept rolled. And what's fun about rolling it up is that, I can roll it up and take it wherever I want to go. If I want to just do something by the TV, or I'm traveling, visiting somebody, I always have something that I can be working on, which is cool. I do want to make some changes, and that's how sometimes art goes. Like I was thinking of switching one of these arms to maybe just some white fabric, some muslin, so that I can do some stitching and it'll really stand out and really see it. Stitch a sentence or something. So, yeah, so that's what we're going to do. And it's going to be a lot of fun. We're going to learn a lot of cool techniques to incorporate with fabric. And it's almost like a little journal if you think about it, a textile journal. So I hope to see you in class, and thanks for watching.